Welcome to Digital Fitness Hub, your studio, your platform to curate a better version of your own self. And today, let's start with today's session with me showing the higher progression, and I call upon Neet to show the lower progressions. We'll start as usual first by paying gratitude. Take your hands out, close your eyes, and pay your gratitude for this wonderful day and all the blessings that you receive in this day, on this day. And now let's start with the stretches, with the neck stretches up and down. For the lower progression, watch Neet and do the neck massage up and down twice, sideways, and ear to ear. And now let's do a few semicircle movements with the neck. For that, you will look down, chin down, and you will rotate your head towards the side, towards the right and the left. Repeat. Yes. And now raise your hands up, point the palm towards the ceiling, spread your legs slightly shoulder width apart and go on the side. Do not bend forward. And now go down, touch your ankle and again raise yourself up. Point up and side. Now hands on the waist and just rotate once towards the right and the left. Come to the center and again you'll go to the right and then go down. Go down till your back is parallel, chin up. Come up, repeat the same on the other side, and back. And now take this hand from above and this from below and just hold, and again you will go forward. Do not bend on your knee. And come up
and switch
and go down. Now spread the legs wider than the shoulders. Go down on the side into our archer squat. Rest your elbow on the knee. Raise your hand up. Come up and repeat on the other side. Repeat it again. And on the other side. In the same posture, go down to hold your toes. Put your head down. Now try touching behind and forward. Again the toes, back and forward. Now rest your hands in the center and you will go from side to side 3 times. And now sit down. Spread your knees out with the help of the elbows. With the namaskar, see to it your back is absolutely straight. Push the knees out, giving a nice stretch. on the inner thighs, entire back and hands as well. And now raise the hand up, rotate the palm inward, watch up, get it down, repeat. Repeat it twice on the other side. Now place your palm slightly forward. Put your entire pressure on the palm. The palm is facing towards the ceiling, and I'll go from side to side without lifting the palm, giving a stretch on the inside of the wrist 3 times. Give a nice stretch. Now keep the palm on the floor. Again exert full pressure, going on your toes, and go from side to side 3 times. Raise your hand up, get it down, hold the toes and stand up, put your head down. Let me show a few stretches for your ankle especially. So what you're going to do is, you're going to take the toe, place it behind, go on your toe, and you're going to go down. See to it that the lower of the feet is facing the ceiling. Give a nice stretch. For the lower progression, follow the same. And now you will place the ankle on the side and go down, giving a nice pressure here on the inside of the ankle. And now place it on the other side and try to twist your leg, getting it on the side. Repeat it on the other leg. Now get it out. Yes, and now just some ankle movement up and down and rotations 3 times clockwise and anti-clockwise, up and down and clockwise and anti-clockwise. You all are done with nice warm-ups from head to toe, and we'll start with the stretches, and now we'll start with some good warm-ups. So let's start with a few jumping jacks, 30 of them, and in a 3, 2, 1, let's get started. And done. And now for some butt kicks, place your hands behind and you will try to touch your heel to the palm. Let's start 15 on each leg. 3, 2, 1, start. And that was 20 on each leg. And let's do a few jumpings, do some postural corrections, watch your toe, watch up, and let's start in a 3, 2, 1, start. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, change, 1. And change side. Other side. And twist jumps. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and rest. Go down 3 times. Just breathe in with your nose and breathe out with your mouth. After getting your breathing to a complete normalcy, then you all are ready to sip some water and get ready for the workout session. And how do we sit and sip water and why is what Neek will be explaining us.
Yes, to all the new members and a brush up for the earlier members, we request you to sit down in this position wherein your both the feet are flat on the feet and then sip water. Or you can also go into this position, or you can sit on the stool or the chair and sip water. Okay, there are mainly 3 reasons why you have to sit down and sip water. Firstly, when you sit and sip water, all the nutrients that are present in the water are absorbed by the brain in a better way than standing and sipping water. Also, it helps in the better digestion. So please sit down and sip water. And the third and the most important reason is when you stand and drink water, it disturbs the chemical balance in your joints that causes the injuries later on. So we request you all to sit down and sip water, not only while you exercise but also throughout the day whenever you sip. Yes, over to you, Tejo.
Get ready for some really easy and fun-loving workout. It's going to be a total fun session. So just gear up and enjoy today's workout to the core. May I call upon Neet again for the lower progression? And the first workout that is going to be is baby crawl. So you're going to go down, go on your knees and act like a baby. Think that you have just learned how to crawl and the beginning of your life. So we are just going to do this for 45 seconds of work and 10 seconds of rest. So let's start in a 3, 2, 1, start. And 3, 2, 1 and rest. Wasn't that really fun to crawl around like a baby? And now let us get ready for some elephant walks. So you're just going to go down. Let yourself completely loose. Your weight should just go down, fall down. Do not hold yourself and let yourself loose. Your hands should be loose and you're going to move like this. Try to keep your knees locked as much as possible. Low progression is without going down. And let's start for this fun workout.
Another banger, baby, calm down, calm down. Yo, this your body, it puts in my heart for lockdown, oh lockdown. Yo, you sweet life, phantom, phantom. If I tell you say I love you, no day for me, young girl, oh young girl. No tell me no, 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 oh, 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 oh.
So 3, 2, 1, and rest. The next one is going to just again go down and get ready to throw some tantrums. Ask for what you want, and you have to do it with full vigor and ask it really loud and clear that you want an
Easy workout.
easy workout. Yes, I deserve. And start.
Yes. Three, two, one, and
Woo. And give a counter stretch. Sit on your heel. Go forward. Do a baby stretch. And come up. For the next one is a real simple one. You're just going to walk on your heels.
Oh,
It's
yes.
the same for the higher and the lower progression. Let's get started. And a high five to the person beside you.
three, two, one, and rest.
Yes. That's a nice workout for this part of your legs, the shin. And let's get started with the next one. For that you will require a mat. Do get a mat. And again, back to your baby days. Again, you're going to behave like a baby. You're going to go down on your back, lie down, hold the toes, and you're going to roll from side to side. Let your legs be in a butterfly. And let's get started.
Take your position and three, two, one, and go. Three, two, one, and rest. Awesome.
Yes. Roll on the side and then get up. And let's see what's next is again a very simple toe walk. You're just going to raise yourself on your toes, your heel raised up, and you're going to walk to and fro around the house or what.
and rest.
Yes. Okay, for the next one, it's the snake rolls. You're going to go down, lie down on your tummy, go down, your hands join together, and you should be able to raise your hands slightly up, your legs slightly up, and then roll on the side, and then come back, and then go on the other side. Just try it, and it's a fun workout, and the lower progression is standing.
Take your position on a count of 3, 2, 1 and go. Three, two, one, and rest.
Yes, that was indeed a fun roly-poly. And let's see what's the next one is again a very simple one. It's the backward walk. Trust me, here you require a lot of mind and body coordination to walk behind without seeing.
Take your position and start.
Rest. The next one is your rotations from your torso. For this, what you will be doing is hold your hands together. You will go on the side, twist from your oblique, go up, come down from the same side, and then go on the other side. And you will come down. So without rotating a complete, giving a complete rotation, it is into a semicircle. Let's start.
Yes, 3, 2, 1 and go.
The next one is again you're going to go down, lie on your tummy and go for some swimming. So let's see what it is. Go on your tummy, hands ahead forward, and you will just rotate your hands into a freestyle. If possible, you will try to lift your leg as well. So it's basically practicing your swimming on the floor. Let's get started.
Position and start. 2, 1, and rest.
Raise yourself up into a cobra. Go back. Give a nice stretch. And come up. For the next one, you're going to go into a narrow squat and raise up into a Tadasana. Just watch. Keep your legs closer. You will go down. See to it that the knees do not cross the toes. You will raise up.
Stretch yourself completely and then go side to side and come back to a narrow squat.
Come down and repeat the same for 45 seconds. And
Take
let's
your
get
position.
started.
And start. One and rest.
Oh, next one, again go down for some Superman. You have to going to go on your tummy again, and this time you will raise both your hands and legs up. See to it, do not bend your knee and raise it up. Your legs have to be absolutely straight and raise up from the thighs. Let's get started.
And rest.
Woo! Again, raise yourself up. Give a nice stretch, counter stretch on your arms as well. And a gentle tuck on your neck, up and down and sideways. And get ready for the next one. For the next one, you're going to lie down on the back, and it's a very simple one. Go down on the back, and you're going to take your legs in the front, back, back. If you all want to do a higher progression of this, you can raise your hips up and then go forward, forward, back, back. But since it's a easy peasy, you can go for the lower one.
Let's take your position and start.
Start.
3, 2, 1 and break.
You're going to roll from the side, compulsory, take support and get up and get ready for the next one. For the next one, you're going to go down again on your tummy, and it's a very simple one. It's a spinach, so you're going to rest your chin on your palm and do the feet movement. So, as Neet says, just feel good about yourself, feel cute about yourself.
3,
And
2,
start.
1 and go.
Come up, sit down, flat feet, embrace yourself, put your head down, give a nice stretch, counter stretch on your back, a nice relief, and stand up. Do stand up and then go down again. Down again. This time we are going to go down on a back and you're going to extend the legs into a butterfly, hold the toes, you're going to raise them up and back. Do open up your thighs as much as you can, give a nice stretch and let's get started. Give a nice tuck on your knee, pull it towards your chest, give a stretch, and again roll from the side, again stand up without fail while we see what is the next one is a simple cat and cow. You'll go down on the knees and breathe in when you retract and breathe out when you protract. Do give a complete stretch while you retract and protract. It's a wonderful exercise for your stretch for your back. Let's start.
Yes. Take your position and start. And rest.
Oh, that was a wonderful stretch for your back, a much needed one. Next is again a very, very simple exercise. It's a clapping exercise, and why we are doing this is for the acupressure. Believe me, all the points connecting to each and every part of the body are placed here on your palm. So when we are going to clap, each and every part of the body is going to get activated. How we are going to do it though is clapping it front and up. So continuously for 45 seconds, we will be doing this. And in a 3, 2, 1, start. Ooh. Give a gentle press on your shoulders, your arms, and your wrist, and get ready again to go down on your tummy. So you're going to lie down on your tummy and you're going to do butt kicks. You can keep your head rested on the forehead, rested on the hands, and you're going to try touching the heel to your butts.
Take your position and start.
Ooh, that was a nice one. And again, do end always with a counter stretch for sure. It is very important for every stretch you give a counter stretch. And stand up without fail. For the next one, you're going to do standing penguin crunches. Your hands you're going to take slightly behind the position of your leg. Feet are going to be shoulder width apart and you will go from side to side. Tuck in your abs. And for the next one is Harshit's favorite, where you're going to stretch your arms out and you're going to do as if somebody is pulling you on one side and then go on the other side. Yeah, this is a nice partner workout as well. If you have anybody at home, you can do engage them as well for some fun workout. And Again, give a nice gentle press on your shoulders, give a nice shrug. And we are towards the last workout of the easy peasy session. Hands behind your head, and again you're going to go from side to side. So majority of them today we have worked out is on our obliques and our inner thighs. So let's get started in a 3, 2, 1 and start. Fantastic. Do applaud for your own self for doing a nice, easy peasy workout. Okay, so
We hope these were really simple workouts for you all. Please do comment after the session if you really find these workouts simple.
this is all dedicated to you all on your demand. And let's proceed towards the cool downs. For the cool downs, we will be doing some different stretches and a few massages and a few face massage techniques. A very few of them I'll be showing today, the basic ones. So do sit down, fold your legs, sit down, close your eyes, normalize again your breathing, concentrate on your breathing totally. When you inhale, fill up to your tummy, the chest, your navel, and then slowly breathe out. Hold the head and tuck it gently on the side for a few seconds. Come up on the other side. And now hold your head from behind and gently pull it forward. And back. And now you will protrude your chin out, the neck out and back. It's a very subtle movement. You have to just go forward and back. When you go forward, feel the stretch on your this part, the lower of your chin. Do it around 5 times. Yes. And now with the index finger and the thumbs, you're going to press the ear lobes. Press it really tight. Hold there for at least 5 counts and then relax. Do it for 5 times. Press and release. And now you're going to gently just press on each part of the ear starting from the top edge, and you will go on pinching the outermost part of the ear towards the tip. Go on pressing it with the index finger and the thumb. Repeat it twice. And now for some eye movements, you're just going to keep the index finger on the side, and you will try to watch the index finger with just the eye movements twice on the side, and then you will be doing twice up and down and twice diagonally. You will watch here and this end. So it's the diagonal points that you will be watching. Each we will be repeating 3 to 5 times. So first we'll start from the sides. And now up and down. And diagonally. And the other diagonal. Yes. And now place the 3 fingers on your eyes, thumb into the ear, on the eyes, and give a gentle press here on the eyes. Relax then. A very gentle press on the eyes. Yes. And now let us do some for the area near the mouth. What you're going to do is you're going to roll your tongue all over your teeth. So let's start. Clockwise 5 times. And anti-clockwise. Yes. And now you're going to make a pout with your lips and then stretch it, showing your teeth. We will be doing this 5 times, pout and the full as much stretch you can give. You're going to stretch out your lips as much as you can. Let's start 5 times. Yes. And now you're going to puff your cheeks out. Mine are already puffed, but still you're going to fill your cheeks with air as much as you can. You're going to puff and then pat it 3 times. So let's start. And relax. And now for the chin, you're just going to take the thumb, press it, hold it down the chin and the index finger, and you're going to take it on the side and then again press the earlobes. So let's start. Press the thumb on the lower part of the chin, roll the index finger and the thumb towards your ears 3 times. And from the forehead. Again, you will take it to this point behind the ear. These are the lymph nodes that you will find here, and we are going to drain towards the lymph nodes, and from here you will gently give a press down 3 times on each side. And you all are done with today's wonderful easy peasy workout with a little bit of your taking care of your face as well. And let's stand up. May I call upon Neep to end the session with again a gratitude for today's wonderful day. Let's pray for all our near and dear ones. A gratitude for this beautiful day, for the workouts and everything that we have. And open our eyes and a high five to the person beside you. Send the vibrations of fitness, health, wealth and goodness and a power. 1, 2, 3. Thank you.